Hello traders, and welcome back to your Q's analysis class here tonight on Tuesday, June 26th of 2012. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. And what we're going to do here again tonight is analyze our daily chart as we always do to make sure everybody understands what's going on here at this point in time. And as you remember from yesterday, we talked about that low formation right here and the Q's continuing to the downside, breaking through all major areas of support are on their way down and staying below all three moving averages that we talked pretty briefly about yesterday. And then the other thing that I wanted to point to you is that we have formed a lower swing high on the Q's on the daily chart, which means that we are continuing down. Okay, so now what we need to pay close attention to is that next area of support down here, 61.68, which we talked about yesterday as well. And then if we do ever break through it and close the day below it, then we could head all the way down to that next area of support down here at 60.67. So those two areas are very important. So make sure you have your trend lines handy once we get closer and closer to it. But the other thing that I want you to really pay close attention to are those moving averages as well as that upper area of resistance right here, 63.50. Those areas are very important. Again, 63.50 and 61.68. Make sure you have those at least on your chart to help you. Okay? And then the other thing I want to talk about is the MACD. Look at this. We are definitely continuing lower, breaking through the zero line at this moment, entering into a bearish territory on the MACD. What it means is that if we do see the MACD continuing lower and lower down into bearish territory, then we'll have to watch the chart really carefully to make sure that the MACD is confirming everything we see happening on the chart. Okay, that's really significant. That's important. That's why I want you to pay close attention to it. And then also make sure you pay close attention to the volume, which is not really impressive at this time. We've been trading on pretty small volume lately. But if we do ever get a big move one way or the other, we need to make sure that we have some spikes in volume. That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I want you to watch for. Okay, so yeah, so that's all that I have for you for today. Hope it helps you and gives you an idea of what to look for and what to watch tomorrow and the rest of this week. All right, so safe trading to all of you. Have fun trading tomorrow, and I hope to see you back in class tomorrow evening.